To use camera filters on the Samsung S26 Ultra, you have to click on this button for the first, and now you have to slide until you find this icon. This is this filters, and when you go to the right side, you can find all of those changes. You can quickly see all the difference, and you can even click here how it compared to the original mode without any filter. And what is also really useful that you can customize each one by clicking on this icon. So now you can set its strength, color, temperature, contrast, saturation, and the film grain, and you can already see some changes. When you go here, you can even download some filters from a Galaxy store, and when you go into this option, you can use AI that will cover the specific photo that you take into the filter. So take a look, you are just picking this, you are waiting just a few moments for AI and tap to create the photo. You can set name for this one, you can change the profile picture, you will have to click done, and as you can see right now, it will just give you this view.